Yeah, Skoda Octavia 2014. We're going to open up the fuel flap and replace the actuator. Here it goes. We'll have to take out this little nut here, it's T20. So, mind that nut. Open up the fuel cap, put that out of the way there. Take that out there. This is the important bit. You have to push this in, otherwise you can't pull it out. You've got to push it in there, take it out, and it comes out like that. Okay? And this is the actuator here. Have a look. We just pulled it out there, and we just change it there. And put that back in. So that's the new one I put in yesterday. Okay?